The design of most products requires managing conflicting design constraints. Optimizing all these variables can be a challenge, especially early in the design process. Let's look at a familiar product, an off-road bike. It must be lightweight but strong, stiff but forgiving on impact, all while being able to endure the extreme loads and abuse it will see in its lifetime. How can we solve all these challenges? Let's look closer at the rear suspension of our bike and focus on this rocker arm. Designs often begin like this, with a basic functional shape. Finding the ideal geometry to meet performance goals can be automated using a topology study. Traditional simulation fixtures, like these bearing surfaces, are quick and easy to apply. Next, we'll add the force the rear suspension shock applies as the rider hits bumps and jumps. Finally, we add our design goals and constraints. We want the best stiffness to weight ratio while eliminating low-frequency vibration. Now we let SOLIDWORKS calculate the ideal topology. With study results complete, we can quickly see where the geometry can be removed without compromising design performance. We'll use these results to guide the creation of machinable features and finish the rocker design, optimized for weight, stiffness, and this manufacturing process. SOLIDWORKS simulation gives every designer the tools to evaluate how their designs will work in the real world, allowing them to make critical design decisions with confidence. Guide your next design with SOLIDWORKS simulation and quickly achieve your goals.